first wine of the night.
I raved about my office setup, so I better show it.
Hello friends, welcome back to the vlog. My name is Alyssa. If you are new, if you're returning, thank you so much for watching. It is another week in my life. I'm actually here in San Diego. I'm about to go take my friend Chelsea's infrared Pilates mat class, and she's been teaching for over 4 years, but I just have not gone to San Diego in so long. So I'm here, gonna drive up to PB right now. I've got my workout clothes on and we're gonna have a day. It's beautiful here, can't complain. Hello you guys, I am back from San Diego. It was a very quick, like less than 24-hour stint, and I have the Goop kitchen haul. I did the Goop for 2 to try to meal prep a little bit. I don't think it saved me any money, but it added convenience without being, I would say, too expensive, and I had a coupon. So it comes with the half chicken rotisserie. This is definitely enough for 2 meals for me, easily. It came with some sweet potatoes, Japanese sweet potatoes, which I love, mac and cheese, and then it comes with a side salad. I got the perfect arugula salad with a lemon caper vinaigrette. You also get 2 sauces, so I did the hot sauce and the salsa verde for the chicken, which I think will be delicious. I'm hoping that that alone is 2 meals, if not 3 light ones. So I'm gonna eat my wrap. Should we unbox the wrap together? I'm so excited. I'm also gonna use some of this hot sauce as well, because who doesn't like spicy? And it is so good to be out of the British land of anti-hot sauce. That's really good. This dressing is amazing. Wow. That is delicious. I'm gonna eat this. I'm going to the mall with my friends. Hello everyone, I am back in New York. It was a whirlwind of the last few days. I started my new job on Monday. It's day 4, and it's just been a lot of reading, a lot of admin, and slowly just like putting myself through the motions, but always fun to be somewhere new. I feel like when you've had a few new jobs, this is my 3rd job in 4 years, you get more comfortable with being the new person. It's never fun, but it's kind of it's just different. It's exciting. It's, I don't know, it's just, it feels new and shiny, and so sometimes that's a fun place to be in. So I'm doing a lot in terms of situating my office space, getting myself ready to go to the office. I go 3 times a week, sometimes 4, just depending on what mood I'm in. And I'm excited to have that, as well as the home office situation, because I really hated working remotely. I know people are like, it's a blessing, it's amazing. And I was like, it's too distracting. Like, I had so much ADHD about being at home. There just was like way too much going on that I felt like there was a never-ending list of things to do at home. So it is great to go back to an office.
I raved about my office setup, so I better show it. First things first, also made me my chair last night. It's from Branch. It's a vegan leather, and I probably should have gone with the mid-back, but long-term, I love a high-back chair. It just gives you much better posture than a mid-back chair, and I find that I don't feel like slumpy, slouchy, and like pain from a long day of sitting. I got this new keyboard and mouse combo from Logitech, both ergonomic. This is going to be a little bit of a learning curve. I usually use the Magic Keyboard, and this one from Apple, but it's nice to have a little bit of support here. The Logitech mouse is amazing, and then I've got this really nice gel pad. For now, I'm going to use this display. I honestly don't know how much I will be working from home, but I do want to get a curved monitor at some point. It's what we have in the office. I really enjoy them, but they're expensive. So for now, this is a setup, but I like it. Good afternoon, friends. We had a day full of errands and just hanging out. We went to the wine store and bought a lot of wine. Probably too much wine, but that's okay. And then we're having a date night tonight, so Austin's gonna make me dinner. Right now we're gonna go sit out on the patio, hang out, soak it in. It's a beautiful day today, like 75 degrees. And then get ready. We have a fun evening in the West Village. We're going to see a play. Austin booked like a drink res after, so we're gonna have a night. And obviously you guys are coming along with. First wine of the night. This is a Pet Nat, one of my favorites. It's supposed to be quite juicy. And Austin's out there waiting for me to join him. Cheers.